we've got some more breaking news coming in. Rahul Gandhi's words have triggered only the latest crossfire between the opposition and the Treasury benches. Now, External Affairs Minister Dr. S. Jaishankar has stepped into the ring to counter Rahul Gandhi. He says the leader of the opposition deliberately spoke a falsehood. He says he's responding to Rahul's comment saying that the External Affairs Minister had gone to the US to get Prime Minister Modi an invitation for Trump's inauguration in Washington, D.C. Jaishankar has countered that. Let's listen into what Dr. S. Jaishankar has just said. Okay, we don't have a soundbite. That was a text reaction from the External Affairs Minister.
Our foreign policy would take into account this revolution. When we talk to the United States, we would not send our foreign minister to invite our prime minister to his coronation. We would not send him 3 or 4 times, please invite our prime minister. Because if we had a production system and if we were working on these technologies, the American president would come here and invite the prime minister. So it is important to understand where
Please. Foreign policy. Leader of opposition cannot make such serious, unsubstantiated statement. This is related to the relation between 2 countries, and he is making an unverified statement about invitation of the Prime Minister of our country. It's matter of our dignity. How can you make such kind of statement? He's leader of opposition, sir. He should be responsible in making such statement.
LOP is giving us very positive suggestions. Why they are worried, sir? For the country, he is giving.
Leader of opposition has the information from any official source. He must inform the House. If leader of opposition has the information, please inform the House. Who has told you that foreign ministers visited for the purpose which you have mentioned? You must specify it.